doing some changes to the database actually. Like, see, I created one more table called DRDB config. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go to the table. Let me close all. Okay, so this config will have name, value, where actually description, created date, modified date is active. Okay. So this is something like basically why we are doing is actually like to reduce, because we will not have an access to web server and app server when we go to the upper level prod and stage. So database actually we can control that one. So there is a 60 days validation, right? In the database, couple of places I've seen like you have that use that 60-day validation, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I've created a table and used as a config, so we can update this one. Okay, so I was able to change the disaster state, granting disaster status modified. So the things have been changed actually. Like say they want to. So basically, like once the disaster is been created, they can request for another disaster after 60 days. So there was a check, right? Actually, on top of it, I also created that initiated date should be from the request. This is like request initiation frequency. Okay, should read from that config table. Okay.
Okay.
I did something like this. Okay, and I used that one. Previously, you had something like minus 60, right? Instead of that, I just used like the config value. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay, this is, but I see like in many places you have written like a throw, right? And where this number is generated from? I see like this number is different in stored procs, each stored proc. So I just want to see like where this number is generated from.
Where's the number generated? Let me see.
Because I see like see in the grantee request create, right? This is I just put like 5,002, 50,002. But if you see the grantee request, it's sometime I see like see 50033, 50070, something like that.
You mean why I put the number or?
I'm just checking like are you how do you arrived out at this number? Like did you are you maintaining it somewhere or just a random number or unique number you're using it in the procedure?
I use some random number actually.
Okay. So you're not tracking this anywhere, right?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. I just want to check like but whatever the message is coming from here, are you capturing it in the API and returning back to the user? See, for example, request the 60-day validation, right? Here you have made a 60-day validation. So what I'll do is, I'll tell you like, this I just want to show like actually in case like if they say tomorrow they want to change that 60-day validation, right? Just go to the config table and change this value. Okay?
Yes, it's much clear, much
Okay.
convenient. Yes.
No, when I'm not here, actually, I'm just telling you like the reason I called you this is like because they want to make it as a config. Okay.
Okay.
We won't be in production, but I just want to let you know like if they come back and say like the 60-day validation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go and update this table.
Okay.
this one. Select request frequency. Request frequency. The request frequency. I can put as like this is like it's not an integer value because it can have multiple configurations and the value is a varchar. So okay,
Okay.
so I'm just casting to okay, I'm just inserting actually. So and the other day I told you right actually is in most of the places I doing a check for a grantee name. So this is the one actually like okay. That's the reason I called you like actually.
Okay.
Good.
So that's a
Yeah.
essential update. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.